So, the coffee they've served me.
The Action Lot.
The Colombia?
Colombia Potosi from CGLE, Café Granja La Esperanza is the Action Lot that we actioned last year, end of the year. They have a private action. So many companies that know this producer, they enter in the action to bid the private lots. And finally we was able to bid also for one of them, and we managed to win that lot, that specific lot.
Oh, nice. And so how much of that was available?
Only like 24 kilos.
24 kilos, all right.
Yes, because actually there are some other lots in the action that was not even like a full box, which full box is 24 kilo. There was like 10 or 12 or 7.
Oh, okay.
Depends on varietal and process.
When you're roasting this coffee, what's your approach?
It was not that challenging as I expected, so I just want to highlight the flour, the flavors, and also the process, the characteristics of the process, because it's actually a hybrid wash, so it's fermented in 2 layers. It's a very interesting process.
So
it's actually only this process was developed only by this producer.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah.
So is there a particular way that you roast this to get the best out of it?
Yes, you try at least to highlight the flavors that you roasted before in sample roaster, you know.
But in this case, what flavors are you trying to highlight?
The florals.
The florals.
Yeah. Yeah, so I try to not roast it that long and that slow, so I can highlight the florals. So I roast it quite light and quite fast.
So are you like finishing like 205?
I think 206.
206, okay.
Yeah.
And then how long are you roasting? We say you're trying to keep it short. How long is the roast time on average?
On average, but on this one, on this particular one, I think it was like 8 minutes.
8 minutes, okay.
Yeah, but normally my approach, because I'm a big fan of fast extractions, fast brewing, fast roasting, I normally roast in like 8 to 9 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh,
especially
nice.
having a roaster hybrid with air, with hot air, allows me to do that easier.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, awesome. All right, well, thank you very much.
You're welcome, thank you so much. Where are you from?
I'm from the United States.
United States?
Yes, I run
Awesome.
a coffee channel called Onocoffee.
Ono?
Onocoffee.
Oh, really?
O-N-O Coffee.
I will figure it out. I will look for it and follow it.
Oh, I'd love that.